A strange one, not your normal deal. Ceiling fan not working. Get the light switch turned on. And the funny thing was, it did work the other day. So I know something else is going on. I can see that the battery is good. And what I'm thinking is maybe this switch is bad. So going to check this here. Power is live. So I do need to be careful. And I may need to turn out the power. My thought is that we lost power somehow here at this switch, and do you run into a lemon sometimes? There it goes. It just kicked on as I tapped it. So, and if I turn the light on, let's see. Yep, there it is. But it's a little weird. So we need to make sure this is a better connection here. So that's what's going on. And with this, now that the power's on, it'll make it easier to turn the power off. So I can on the breaker here. Let's see. There it is. Shared with that one, and okay, lights out, so it's good. Grab this little screw before I lose it. There we go. Sometimes it could be at the wire nut, could be quick connected and have a loose connection there. Could be. We're gonna find out. Yeah, it almost made me think it was the battery, but because the light was so strong and because it had worked a few days ago, made me think it might not be that strong. Kind of weak right there. See that? Not grabbing very good. Just okay. And let's check where this goes in. That's strong. So I'm thinking here that if I just side wire this, we'll be all right. So I'm going to switch it to a side wire for that bottom one. There we go. And I will go ahead and do the top one as well. So just do both of these side wired. I'll wrap them the way the screw's going to turn. Made a small mess of my floors, but that's okay. Somebody's been in here before because these were tightened all the way down, and I don't normally do that, and they normally don't come that way. So here we go. Nice and tight. I could see connecting these together as well and bypassing the switch just so that the ceiling fan would always have power and be just controlled by the remote, because this could get confusing to someone if they don't have the switch on and they've got, you know, they're not able to control the remote, but I'll leave it with the switch. We'll see. Should really test it before I get too far. So let's reset the power. And it's on, and it's off. Okay, and it's on, and the light. There we go. This one does not have a dimmer. Just is what it is. But anyway, it's all fixed. So I can put this back. There we go. It was just a light switch. Now it's controlled by the switch or the remote. Now just a little bit of stuff to clean up and put the cover back on. It's all set. Yeah, I kind of showed you guys my trick for straightening these up after if you need to. Show you again here if my camera will cooperate. Alright, if your switch was crooked at all, what you could do is take the flat portion of the deal and just push it over. This one a little that way. That's that. Nice and straight. There we go. Ceiling fan back in the mix. All fixed. Done deal.